I'm Alan, a dedicated aesthetic doctor specializing in injectable treatments. In the field of medical aesthetics, the details makes all the difference. From selecting the precise injection angles to expertly matching the right products, every step is crucial. Today I will be demonstrating Ellanse injection for treating Malar groove. I will be focusing on injections in the infraorbital region and the Malar area. Our model recently had treatment to repair her overfilled surgery. She has had several hyaluronic acid injections in the middle face before, which left her with a puffy face look, so she needs to dissolve the remaining hyaluronic acid. We can see noticeable hollowing from the infraorbital region to the Malar groove. If an area gets injected with hyaluronic acid many times, it can loosen the tissue, causing it to become puffy as it absorbs more water. Even after dissolving the previous filler, the tissue spaces remain empty, making the Malar groove more visible. So the repair process for overfilled face should include Ellanse injections to stimulate a new collagen in order to refill the volume loss. This way the results will look much more natural. Today I will be treating her infraorbital and Malar groove areas. Let me explain the injection techniques in detail. She has a noticeable hollow in the infraorbital region that extends to the Malar groove. This is the area we will focus on today, including the Malar groove, the inner cheek, and the infraorbital area. The injection point is located at the intersection of the line between the corner of the eye and the mouth, and the white zone in this area. Choose this entry point is because the needle passes through the fat patch of the operculous ocular muscle easily into the deep layer. As we are making a periosteal injection, it results to provide the support from deep. After the periosteal injection, I will use cannula and perform superficial fanning injections in the infraorbital and the Malar groove areas. Before starting the superficial injections, we need to do a tissue layering first. This allows the PCL microspheres have enough room to stimulate collagen. Then tighten her loose skin while smoothing out the Malar groove. This is the overall injection concept and technique. Now let's proceed with the injection demonstration. First, use the needle to create an entry point, then use 23 gauge cannula for deep injections. Coordination between both hands is important. As the needle tip moves downward, you can feel a noticeable breakthrough when it reaches the bone surface. Rotate the needle as you insert it, avoiding aggressive movement. It's important to remember that no area of the face is entirely safe, so injection safety is important. How do we know the needle is still in the deep layer? We can press down on the sewage handle. If you don't see the tip lift, it means the tip is still deeply embedded. Here I'm using retrograde injection with cannula, and each line of injection is no more than 0.1 ml. The total dosage is about 0.5 ml. Next, let's do the tissue layering with the cannula. During this process, you can clearly see the shape of the needle tip, indicating it's in the subcutaneous layer. Patients often feel pain during this process. Ensure smooth transition between different injection units. Okay, one side of the face is now successfully injected. After injection, post-treatment massage and sculpting are necessary. It helps to avoid nodules. Also, if too much Ellanse is injected in a single point, excessive new collagen can lead to nodules too. Of course, the key is injecting a right layer, right dosage, and right techniques. The other side of the face is now also successfully treated. By combining periosteal injection and superficial injections, we've solved the three issues: middle face hollowing and the Malar groove and skin laxity, all with just one injection point. You can clearly see the highlight point of the cheek moved inwards, from the lateral orbit thickened area to the highlight point of the scoma and down to the chin. It transits very smooth. The Malar groove is almost completely gone. Over time, as the PCL microspheres metabolize and new collagen forms, she will feel tighter and the overall midface firmness will increase.